Hi guys, it's Mrs. Blyler back here again. I wanted to talk to you about a cool way to plant sunflowers. It's something called peat pellets, and I have them right here in my hand. So I'm going to show you a peat pellet and what it looks like close up. It actually looks like a little cookie, like maybe a mint cookie. And what it is it's soil, and it's peaty soil, and it's been compressed by a machine, and it has a little net material around it to hold the dirt inside. And you can kind of see one side has a circle, an indent, and the other side doesn't. So this side would be the bottom, and this would be the top. We're going to do something so cool. We're going to add water to the peat pellets and they will grow for us. If you add warmer water, they will grow a little faster. Okay, so they're just going to float around in that water. I can go from the side view here. You can see they're just floating in the water. We're going to come back and look at this in just a few minutes and see how it's changed. I noticed this one's starting to get a little bigger, but it's still not full size. You can see it's still a little wrinkly looking. So we're going to keep it in the water. So it's after about 3 minutes. Let's see. Oh, here they are. Those peat pellets have turned themselves into little peat pots, all ready for planting. Today, we're going to be planting the Skyscraper Sunflower. This is the sunflower that grows the tallest of all the varieties that I have. This one says it's going to grow 12 feet tall. So that is very tall. Usually we can't reach the top of these. So we're going to get some seeds out of this one. And as you can see, these are the nice, smooth, black and white seeds, striped seeds. And we are going to put them right into that peat pot. I'm going to use my trusty pen to just make a hole. This is really an easy thing to plant. Just make a hole and pop it in. These are very, very super easy to plant. I really just plant one per pod because they do so well. They usually come right up. Just do your little hole and pop them in. They're super easy. Now I would keep these in a really warm spot. You can actually keep them in the container with the lid covered in a nice warm spot, and these will probably sprout very quickly in a week or so, and you'll be starting to see your sunflowers grow. And you can see they're perfect for when you want to grow a sunflower, because you can see how well this sunflower did growing in there. There are many reasons to plant sunflowers. Some people plant them just because they have beautiful flowers. Some people plant them because they want to eat the seeds, or actually let the birds eat those seeds. Another reason to plant them is that they attract bees and birds to your garden. Birds can be really good because they can eat some of the bugs and critters that you don't want in the garden, and the bees can help pollinate your flowers. Also, what's really interesting is that sunflowers are actually good for your soil. They can actually take toxic elements out of your soil, like if you have lead in your soil. So they're very good cleansing. What I love about sunflowers is you can see they actually move to face the sun. So it's fun to grow them. I hope you will try growing sunflowers in your garden this year. Enjoy the garden. Enjoy the indoor garden at least. So thank you so much. It was great to plant today. Hope you get to grow some of these in your garden this year. Get out, get planting. Take care.